Akshata's recipes. Today I'm going to be showing you a very easy recipe of Sabudana Thalipeeth, and it can be had as a breakfast idea or just as a light brunch. It's super simple. So let's get started with today's recipe. So friends, let's start with today's recipe. Now first we're going to prepare the sabudana. For that I've just taken a cup of sabudana, washed it well, soaked it for about 10 minutes, and then after 10 minutes I am going to drain out all the water. So here you can see that all the water has been drained out, and then I'm going to cover and keep it for at least an hour or so. Now in the meantime, I'm going to just make some shengdana's koot or peanut powder. For that I've taken a cup of peanuts, raw peanuts, and I'm just going to roast them on a low to medium flame for about 5 to 7 minutes. After that, once they cool down, I'm just going to crush them like this so that I can get the peels away. And then I'm just going to blow the peels away. And then we're just going to grind them to a very coarse powder. We don't want a very fine powder. We want some bits of peanuts to be there, and that is our shengdana's koot. Now I've taken about 4 light green chilies and a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, and I've made it into this coarse paste. So this is our sabudana all ready to be used for the thalipeeth. This is 1 medium-sized potato boiled and peeled and mashed. This is our coarse paste of chili and cumin. This is about half a cup of peanut powder. This is some fresh coriander chopped and some salt to taste. So now we're just going to mix all the ingredients together. I'm just going to add the potatoes to the sabudana. Then I'm going to add my green chili and cumin paste. Next goes in some fresh coriander and some the peanut powder that we prepared. You can store that peanut powder in an airtight container. We're just going to use about half a cup and some salt to taste. Now I've just transferred all this to a bigger plate so I can mix everything well. And now you just have to mix all of this very, very well till it becomes into a nice firm kind of dough. So just mix everything well together. See that all of the sabudana gets coated with the potatoes, with the green chilies. And then you get a soft, kind of a consistency like this. So our sabudana is ready. Now I've just taken a plastic sheet and I'm just going to apply some water on it. I have my iron tawa heating up. Try to use a flat pan or a flat tawa for these thalipeeths. After that, just take a little bit of water and then just take a lime-sized ball like this. Press it down. Flatten it completely. And then just put it onto the tawa in the way I show you. That is, you just have to first flatten it completely onto the plastic sheet. See that there are no gaps in between. And then in this manner, just overturn it like this. And just peel off the plastic and put it on your tawa. The tawa has to be really nice and hot, or your pan has to be really nice and hot. So keep it heating for about 2 to 3 minutes and then just drizzle a little bit of ghee on the edges. And then we're just going to fry this till it becomes nice and golden brown on one side. And then we'll make the rest in a similar manner. So we want it to be nice and crispy and golden brown on both sides, as you will see. So the main thing you have to remember is that, you get the right consistency of the sabudana by, kneading it for some time well so that everything comes together. Then when you're putting it on the plastic, it should be nice without any gaps in between. You don't need to add any water. But if you find that your dough is very, very dry, then you can just sprinkle a few drops of water. And then we just want to turn it over to the other side. And we're going to continue this way till it becomes nice and golden brown on both sides. And you can serve this with some lovely dahi, chilled dahi, or I've just added a kind of a thetsa recipe at the end of the video. All I've done is just taken some ginger, some garlic, some green chilies. I've just coarsely ground it. Then I've fried it in some oil, and I've just added a little bit of peanut butter and peanut powder, and some salt. And my thetsa is ready. So you can watch that recipe at the end of this video. So guys, I hope you liked today's recipe and I hope you will give it a try. If you like today's recipe, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon that you see somewhere below this video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do by hitting the red subscribe button that you see below this video. Also, if you want to look out for any of my recipes on YouTube, just type the recipe in the YouTube search button and just besides it type Akshata's recipes and you'll find my recipe. For example, if you're looking for upma, just type upma, Akshata's recipes and my recipe will come up first. Also at the end of the video, 2 boxes will come up. That's my recipes. If you're interested in watching, just click on the box. Also in between the video, you will see something sliding up here saying suggested. Those are also my recipes. If you want to see them, then you can click on that. Also, I'm active on Facebook and Instagram. You can follow me there. I have my own blog page. All links will be down below. So thank you guys for joining me today, and I will see you in my next recipe or next video sooner than you think. Till then, take care and stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. See you soon.